Here's how to set up automatic email forwarding in Outlook. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select Mail from the left sidebar. Click on Rules, then click Add New Rule. Give your rule a name, something like Forward Emails. Now set your condition by clicking Add a Condition and selecting From, then enter the email address of the sender whose emails you want to forward. Next, click Add an Action and select Forward To from the dropdown. Enter the email address you want the emails forwarded to. Double-check this for accuracy. You can also leave the condition blank if you want all incoming emails forwarded, regardless of sender. Once everything is set, click Save, and your forwarding rule will be active immediately. Any emails matching your condition will now be automatically forwarded to the address you specified without you having to do anything manually. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.